And now Cuyahoga County and the entire state racing to contain the coronavirus while expecting it to spread.
And here is what we know about these 3 confirmed cases. Again, all 3 in Cuyahoga County. 2 of the patients are a married couple in their 50s. They went on a cruise on the Nile. One of them was hospitalized. The other person, also in their 50s, is unrelated to the couple and went to a conference in Washington, D.C.
All of this news dropping as local leaders discussing their plan on how they're preparing for a possible outbreak of the coronavirus. News 5's Kevin Berry live at Cleveland City Hall. And Kevin, Mayor Jackson saying they are ready for this.
Yeah, exactly, Frank. They say that the city is getting ready to make sure that everything is ready for the Ohio primaries next week and that RTA is wiping down its surfaces. Not only are those 3 people who tested positive now isolated at home, nobody's in the hospital so far, but 6 other people now who came in close contact with those original 3 are also quarantined. The 3 people who tested positive live outside the city of Cleveland, but within Cuyahoga County's boundaries, and we don't have much information about the additional 6 people under quarantine, except that they were in close contact with the original 3. Cuyahoga County Board of Health Commissioner Terry Allen says this is standard protocol for diseases like TB or the measles.
They have identified that close contact of concern. So we're going to watch them and see if they have symptoms to make a determination on whether we need to test them going forward. If they don't have symptoms and they're fine, at the end of that 14-day quarantine period, they'll be able to go about their lives. So our job is to sort of listen in, stay in contact with the cases.
So far, we don't have much more information like the ages of those additional 6 people who are now under quarantine. The health officials say that the state has the ability to test 300 to 400 people in the state of Ohio, but they say most people shouldn't be seeking out those tests because those tests are needed for people who are most at risk and showing symptoms or potentially coming in contact with people who do test positive for the coronavirus. Live in Cleveland, I'm Kevin Barry, News 5.